Hello for everyone and good evening. This video is for my third year student level and I hope you are fine. I am your teacher, Mr. Blagoon, and I hope that you are we are not me all we are holding in the quarantine since we are facing a dangerous disease, the corona or the COVID-19. So you have to stay at home, don't go out, help your parents, don't make noise of course, and you have to revise your lesson, and we will help you with more videos inshallah online. So you have to revise, okay, and you have to practice sport, okay. So I'd like to give a presentation about the last sequence in the third year level. The last sequence is called me and my environment. It's me and my environment. The sequence is about environment. We will deal with animals that are existed in Algeria. We will deal with animals in general and animals in distinction, and we will deal with pollution and how to reduce pollution. What are the solutions to reduce the pollution and the kinds of pollution, because we have many types of pollution, okay. So I'd like to give you a small presentation about the sequence. I will give you an activity, so I advise you to listen to the video, keep well and follow me as you are in the classroom, okay. And take a sheet of paper and take a pencil and try to do an activity. I will give you just two activities, small activities. It is a presentation for the sequence, okay. So we can say activity 1. I will give you two pictures and I will ask you a question. For example, this is picture 1. Do you see? What does it represent? What do you see in this picture? Okay. And this is picture 2, sorry. What do you see? What does it represent? I know that you know the answer. In picture 1, I think it's a city, and picture 2, it's a countryside. You see here, in the countryside we have an animal. I think it's a cow. We have a mountain. See? And here, the city, we have buildings. Okay. But what do you think? For example, my question is, in which place do you like to live? For example, do you like to live in the countryside or in the city? And you have to give me why. Give me a reason why. When you say, for example, in the answer, I like to live in the city, you have to give me why. For example, for me, I like to live in the countryside because we have a clean air. See, we have clean air. And in the city here we have polluted air. Okay, this is activity 1. We go to our presentation. Here you have a picture. You see we have animals. We have here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. We have animals. For example, here I think we have a donkey, here elephant, here we have a camel live in the desert, for example. Here we have a dog, and here we have the place of every animal, okay. For example, here the camel is in the desert, and the dolphin is in the beach, in the ocean, the beach, the ocean, okay. So vocabulary, animals and natural features. The animals, for example, a donkey is an animal, and here the camels, and we have the desert. They are in the desert. The camels are in the desert. So the desert is a natural feature. Is it clear? This is a natural feature. What does it mean? For example, here the ocean. We have the desert, the ocean, the valley, etc. So activity 1, this activity is divided into 3 parts. We have A, as you see, A, B, and C. So A, work and look at the photos. Look at the photos here. I will show you the photos again. Look at the photos. We go back to our activity. Which of the things in the box you can see? So look at the photos again. And which of the things in the box here we have a box, can you see? In the box we have a dog, a llama, a chimpanzee, a dolphin, camel, beach, snake, sea, mountain, ocean, forest, river, horse, elephant, rat, whale, donkey, volcano, lake, desert, fish, and finally valley. This is the box. Okay, I think it's clear. The box is clear. So look at the pictures. And which of the things can you see in the box? Okay, these are the things that are in the box, but I think that in the box we do not have only animals. We have animals and natural features. This is for activity 1, so just take a pencil and look at the picture and write. Go back to the box and write what do you see in the picture. Activity 2 B, put the words in the box. After put the words in the box into the categories below. Put the words from the box, this box, into the categories below. Animals, category 1, and natural features. Okay. After, when you write the things that you see in the picture, go to B, put the words in the box from the box here, the words from the box in the categories below, animals or natural features. Just you have to make a table divided into 2 parts. Part 1 is animals and part 2 is natural features, and write the words. Okay, divide them and write them. For example, dog is an animal, forest is a natural feature, etc. and continue. Is it clear? I hope you understand. After C, add more words to each category. You can add other words to the categories that are not mentioned in the box or in the picture. You can add more words, whether it is an animals or a natural feature. Is it clear for C? So that's all. This is a small presentation, sorry, for sequence 1. I hope that you understand and do your activities, and I will see you inshallah in the next session. Goodbye, see you later, and thank you very much for your attention.